Hi, it's Koze. Do you know this PA nail polish line? Their products are available at drugstores in Japan. One bottle is a few hundred yen, and they come in very nice colors. I'm gonna show you their new colors, spring-summer colors. They are such cute colors with fine glitters in them. I'm gonna use all of them to my nails. Let's get started. First up, E14. The polish itself is really sheer. It's got so many fine aurora glitters in it. Elegant and cute. Next up, E16. It's got fine glitters in it as well. Some glitters are gold. It'd be nice with gold accessories. E18 for the ring finger. It's got a metallic vibe. This is the least sheer one out of the 6 colors. It'd be perfect to make a chocolate nail. Very cool. I painted it for the pinky already. I'm gonna paint it on the middle finger too. E14, I painted on the thumb. It's bluish pink. I'm gonna paint it on the index finger. If you want a natural look to your nails, just one coat is nice. I did one coat to all the nails and I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. I'm gonna stamp on the thumb. I love stamping on my nails. This is not a credit card. Have a stamper and a scraper ready at the table. I bought this plate at CanDo, a 100 yen store in Japan. The nail polish is from a 100 yen store too. A plate from Temu. I didn't get perfect prints, but I could use just one. Bon Pretty nail lacquer. This is a non-smudge top coat. Now I'm gonna be painting other nails for the second time. I think this series is good for making marble nails. I'm gonna be making the most of the sheer color for stamping. This set on the left hand will be kind of like a Valentine nail set. This color is very office appropriate. Now I can see the beautiful bluish pink with 2 coats. The second coat is done. I let it dry for 7 minutes. This is a second application of number 14. Now you can see the hearts kind of pink. I hope this gives it a depth. Now I'm gonna stamp on the ring finger with a metallic polish. The plate is from CanDo. I picked up lots of hearts, but I'm gonna use just one. I'm gonna stamp more with a CanDo plate. I love the size of the heart, it's so cute. No smudge top coat. I'm painting Paradu gel top coat. I'm gonna be putting some metal hearts on it. You can adjust them a little. Okay, I'm working with the thumb now. I want to stamp this heart, but it's a little too big. I bought this on Shein. You can change the size of the prints on the stamper. I try to pick it up in the center. Wow, look at that, it's so cute. But I want more small hearts. This time I'm gonna paint hearts. I'm gonna paint some hearts on a stamper and I'm gonna choose good ones. Goodbye to the ugly ones. Sorry. Wow, this is so cute. I'm gonna paint number 18 on the ring finger to make the hearts less visible. I'm painting non-smudge top coat. If you don't have it, you could also use Daiso's anti-slip liquid, which I'm gonna be showing later in this video. I'm gonna do my right hand. E15. Nice shimmery blue color for the summer, I think. Again, it's got so many fine glitters in it. The glitters are kind of silvery. E13. This one is quite pearly. All the PA polishes I tried are really quick to dry. E17. It's got gold glitters. It's a very nice color with just one coat or 2 or 3 coats too. Oops, it looks pretty patchy, but with 2 coats probably no problem. After 1 coat, I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. Look how shiny they are. This is also new. Crystal Lock Top Coat. You are supposed to shake it before use. It won't open, but I know what to do. This is washi tape, and put the sticky side out. Fold it and put it around the cap. I can grip it tightly this way. Yes, it's open. The washi tape comes off really easily. Even though I shook it so hard, there aren't any bubbles in it. It's pretty runny, it's easy to apply. I was wondering if it shrinks a lot, but it didn't. Probably because I dried the color polish very well. Nice and shiny, I like it. The right thumbnail. I applied number 17 twice and dried completely. Anti-slip liquid from Daiso, a 100 yen store. I know it's not for nails. I'm gonna glue nail foil with this. It gets white when it dries. It takes about 2 minutes. It doesn't take long to be dry. I'm gonna be using nail file sheet from CanDo. I'm gonna erase some designs I don't need with nail polish remover. I'm deciding which one I don't need. Terminating. I need to flip it and I have to check which one I'm gonna be erasing. This way I can use only designs I want for my nails easily. I wanted some open space in the center of the nail. Born Pretty nail lacquer. Or you could use anti-slip liquid. The designs from the nail foil will melt with the polish. Without doing this, after drying it, I painted crystal lock top coat to all the nails. All done! I love this Valentine's nail vibe. I also like the top coat. It's really glossy. I stamped on the ring finger. You can see the shades of each polish. The other three. I'm not sure if they are EO or E0. 6 color polishes and crystal lock top coat are on sale on February the 3rd. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!